Díomh agus fáilte go dtí Gaelcholáiste Dhún Dealgan, a new school in Dundalk. My name is Caoimhe, Deputy Principal of this new school that we do all our subjects through Irish. It is based in Robin House on the Ramparts. We are also a satellite school of Choláiste Dhún Dealgan.
It's Misha Maeve. I'm Maeve, the principal in Choláiste Dhún Dealgan in Ballybrigeen, and our students have a fabulous opportunity to enrich their language skills, drawing on all of the expertise that our teachers have in a wide variety of subjects.
I have 4 children, they're all bilingual, even though we live in an English-speaking house, as they've all gone to an Irish secondary school at Gaelcholáiste. I've only a couple of words of Irish myself. We wanted them to have the chances that we didn't have.
The thing with going to a Gael school was I could brush up my Irish as I went along with them. Now that Circus in a Gaelcholáiste, she's miles ahead of me.
Turns out there was other benefits. A smaller class size definitely helped.
We get to know students really well, and there's a huge level of care for students.
And when it came to exam time, a good grade in Irish was almost a certainty, particularly in the orals. When it came to homework, where they needed help and I was doing it in English with them, turned out it wasn't a problem as they could think in both languages.
Gaelcholáiste Dhún Dealgan is a multicultural, multi-denominational, co-educational school.
Friends of mine who have children who went to English-speaking schools find really good secondary schools. They chose Gaelcholáiste. They had a range of subjects that they could do that really were going to suit their kids.
It is not a requirement that you have been to a Gael school to come to this school. We welcome everybody from Louth and the surrounding counties.
We are really looking forward to working with the students in Dhún Dealgan and Dundalk to further the opportunities that they have through the medium of Irish. When Choláiste Dhún Dealgan started, it started off with 27 students. We have almost 500 students in Ballybrigeen now. The school has developed year on year. We've been able to add lots more subjects on, and we envisage the same happening here in Dhún Dealgan.
My experience of Dhún Dealgan has been exceptional. They really made things as easy as possible. The kids would tell you themselves. They struggled maybe a little bit up until Halloween, and after that it takes off.
The 2 older ones who have finished school wouldn't change it. They've made great friends there.
It's worth it. It's worth every minute of it.
If you need any more information, please visit our school website. Tá súil go múl míad le chéile go luath.